Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Jamaicans will have to wait till about June 2023 to access the new banknotes. The Bank of Jamaica says while it currently has the new tender, there are still processes which must take place to ensure they're smoothly integrated. Here's Javon Keys.
Local banknotes will have a new look, but the phased rollout of the new notes will have to wait until next year. In another 6 months or so, Jamaicans will begin to see these brand new notes in circulation. Now, the Bank of Jamaica says it will last about 50% longer than the current notes you see every day. Now, the banks and financial institutions across the island are currently retrofitting their fleet of automated banking machines to ensure they can accommodate the new notes. The 6 denominations will not only see a facelift, but there will also be the introduction of a new $2,000 note. They all pay homage to national heroes and deceased prime ministers.
Our banknotes must reflect that history, must reflect that struggle over generations and over centuries. Little young boys and young girls growing up see the pride on a daily basis with which we hold our history.
BOJ Governor Richard Biles says the enhanced security features include heightened safety.
Bank of Jamaica has enhanced the integrity of Jamaica's banknotes by incorporating more state-of-the-art security features in the new series of notes. Secondly, enhancing features for the visually impaired. The banknotes already in circulation have features which are specifically designed to improve their recognition and use by members of the community of visually impaired persons. These features include large numbering and tactile or raised printing that is easily recognized by touching and feeling.
The current notes last for an average 2 years. The BOJ is encouraging extra care with the new notes.
The current banknotes that can be folded or crushed, when those are redeemed to Bank of Jamaica, we have to destroy them because those notes will not adhere to our clean note policy to reissue to the public. So again, that is what is causing the increase in cost. For the polymer, we encourage, and the communication program will be there, do not crush and do not fold and do not put graffiti on the banknote.
It currently costs about $1.4 billion per annum to print the current notes, and while based on the contract, the cost has not been shared, the new notes will be more costly to print. The central bank expects continued cost savings to come from the implementation of these new notes. They're also saying that the current notes in circulation are expected to be phased out over the next 1 to 2 years. Javon Keys, TVJ News.